sunshine. So here in my hands, I have my July Quirky Crate. Finally, there was a delay in the shipment because of a storm, but it's finally here safely in my hands and I cannot wait to get this party started. This month's theme is out of this world, and when I announced that theme last month, I was like, oh, what is this month's box gonna have in it? Like, yes. Basically, if you have never heard of Quirky Crate, it is a monthly subscription that runs you around $40 every month. That's with shipping included. And inside you get flair, you get fun socks, you get patches, you get pins, and you get purses that have the Betsy Johnson aesthetic, which is why I love the purses in Quirky Crate. That's what got me to sign up. So you get that in every month's box. Plus you get other items. I've gotten stationery, I've gotten cups, I've gotten some really honestly amazing sunglasses. Like, I've gotten so many amazing things in my Quirky Crate. This box is truly, in my opinion, the best subscription box in the world. I don't think there will ever be a subscription box that beats the amount of joy that Quirky Crate gives me. But if you want to go check out some of the other items that I've received in my previous Quirky Crate boxes, I have a bunch of videos on my channel. So with that said, let us see what's in here. I am so excited. Oh, and before, just a side note, I have a Quirky Crate jacket that I normally wear when I do my Quirky Crate unboxes, but it's 105 degrees out and I don't feel like overheating while doing this video, so sadly I'm not wearing that today, but hopefully this heat wave will be over soon. But with that said, let's see what's inside of this month's box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have the Hey Girl Yes Treat Your Quirkers. Oh, and I forgot to mention, each month Quirky Crate features an undercover, no, I always say undercover, underground artist. So they'll include a card like featuring an artist of the month, and they usually include a piece of product artwork from that month's artist. So now that we've covered all the important details, I'm gonna rip open the tissue paper. Okay, I see something glittery. Oh, I'm gonna flip out. I'm so excited. So this month's artist, boom. Okay, so oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, I'm just okay, the first thing that I'm pulling out is this beautiful UFO pin. Look at the rainbows and the stars and the moon and then all the different color hearts. Oh my gosh, it is so fun. Okay, and then I see this super fun sticker, which is totally going on my laptop. I don't even care. It's this holographic, like the body of the spaceship unicorn is holographic, and there's like a rainbow and there's the unicorn, and look how beautiful this sticker is. Oh my gosh. I wonder if this is the piece of that it's featured from the artist of the month. And then I'm pulling out this UFO rainbow patch. This and the UFO pin will be going on my jacket. I love the rainbows. I think that is just so, that really adds like a fun flair to UFOs. And I think it's really ironic that the theme for this month's box was picked before the Area 51 memes, like the whole Storm Area 51 thing was like a thing. So I think it's really ironic how things worked out. So while I'm unboxing this, I'm like, oh, Area 51, but that is so fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, hold on. When I pulled this out, I was like, oh my god, just from the back, because this is what I saw, I was like, it's gonna be an alien head, but it's even cooler. Look, it's like Pizza Planet. It's a planet that looks like pizza in my opinion because the color scheme, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you know it's gonna be a good pen when it has like that tip on it, so it's like I'm not gonna leak ink out on you guys. But look at this super cute pen. Oh my god. I have something, okay, previous Quirky Crate subscription box, I received a little spaceman necklace, and I really hope that this is some sort of jewelry in this pouch. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, hold up, wait. I was not ready for this beauty to come out. Oh my gosh. Okay, my voice just got like hit in an annoying pitch. I stopped listening to myself after 5 seconds. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Okay, so this is a layered necklace. I think this is the most beautiful thing I've ever received in Quirky Crate. Like, okay, we have this layer of, I'm really not good at detangling necklaces, but we have this layer of stars, and then we have a layer of hearts. And then we have this layer of this beautiful little, I don't know if you guys can see it, this diamond shaped piece of jewelry. Oh my gosh. And then it's all like layered into one. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yes, that makes me feel like the princess of some like universe far away. Okay, I see this thing. I have no idea what it is. There's something in there. I don't know what this is. It says Milk Joy and then my sticker box. I like the milk. I think I may be wrong. I think I may be guessing the different brand, but I love the phone cases that I bought from Milk Joy. They're like such an aesthetic. So I'm really curious to see what this is. It says my sticker box. So are there gonna be fun stickers in here? Ooh. Ooh, how do we open this? Oh my gosh, hold up, what? Oh my gosh, look at all the fun stickers. Oh my gosh. Okay, what? Okay, so we have this one that says nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me put some down so I can like use my hand as the background. Nice, nice. I love how everything in here is hollow. And then we have this one. So cute. I don't know much about this brand. Oh, it's like she's a little peep. Oh, that is so cute. We have this one that says sweet. A holographic unicorn star. I swear to God, it looks like hollow from that angle. There's like little pieces of holographic. I don't know if you guys can see that. Then we have this hollow cherry. I love that. That is so pretty. Oh, so pierced. It's so cute. I was not prepared for this. It's like cuteness overwhelmed in this month's box. Then we got this sticker. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. We have a couple more. I love these. Oh, that is so cute. Then we have this one. And this one. I don't know anything about this brand, so I'm very curious like what their the pattern with the girl is and her like eating a lollipop, and then it says just for you Milk Joy. And then I think my last two favorites in here are these cute line little movie ticket stub stickers. These are so cute, and I think I'm gonna lift, like I don't think I probably should do this. I don't think I can, but this is what the back of the sticker box looks like, and I was gonna try to lift it out, but that's not easy, so I don't think I'm supposed to do that. I've never received anything like that in Quirky Crate ever, or any subscription box I think ever. This is so cute. This month's socks, they have UFOs in them, and I just love how everything matches so incredibly well in this month's box. Oh my gosh, look at I didn't even see the aliens. Hello, little friend. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love these. I can't wait for fall to like walk around and just have these on my feet. These are so cute. I have this little ice cube tray that has little stars. I have been looking for one of these. I want little stars for ice. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try to open this up so I can show you guys better. Boom. Look how precious. Oh my gosh, they're like little Mario Kart stars. That is so cute. It's just a silicone ice tray. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so exciting. And I'm so sad that this month's box is ending because I love it so much. Wait till you guys see this purse. I can't. I really can't. I can't. You need to sit down. If you are not sitting down, please sit down and just pay attention for like a solid 5 seconds, because I swear to God, you will love it. Look at it. Look at it, and even better, it's double-sided, so you don't have to worry about just showing one side. Okay, so we have like this holographic glitter star, and the glitter's like not coming off. And then we have this like metallic iridescent stripes, like the shooting star. And then inside of the purse looks like this. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This month's box, like normally, like, I wouldn't say anything's ugly, but this month's box is like extra cute. And then we just have this gold chain to put onto the purse. But it's so cute. And inside of the purse is actually like really big. Like, that's so beautiful. Okay, this month's box was so amazing. I just feel like so special after this box. I feel like there's so many beautiful pieces in here that just made me feel like a princess. I feel like an alien princess right now with this box in my hands. Okay, let's talk about pricing of everything inside of this month's box. The shooting star crossbody has a retail value of $28. The UFO enamel pin has a retail of $10. The star ice cube mold has a retail value of $5. The comp cocoa, which is this brand right here. The unicorn sticker has a retail value of $3.50. The Kawaii Ben Toy sticker box has a retail value of $11.95. The Moonstone layer necklace has a retail value of $15. The UFO socks has a retail value of $8. The Planet pen has a retail value of $3, and the UFO rainbow patch has a retail value of $6, with a total value of $90.45 in this month's box. If you want to go sign up for your first month of Quirky Crate, I have a coupon code that you can use in the description box and in the top comment down below. Quirky Crate, you guys are so amazing. This month's box was so beautiful. It was beautifully put together. I loved this theme. Oh my gosh, I can't, like, I was so shocked with all of the beautiful things you put inside of this box. Amazing job. What did you guys think of the July Quirky Crate? Were you super excited? And what other themes would you like to see Quirky Crate do? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.